Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x12 with a negative 44mm offset Moto Metal 962 wheels in a chrome finish with a set of 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now these Moto Metal 962 wheels, they're offered in a 17, 18, 20, and 22 inch wheel. They're offered in a gloss black with milled accent finish, a chrome finish, which is what we have here, a satin gray with milled accents, and then they also have it with a PVD center with a gloss black lip, meaning a chrome spoke with a gloss black lip, exactly what it says. So Moto Metal 962s, they are some of the most popular wheels on the market, by far, hands down, no doubt about it. Dealers, if you're looking for a good wheel to put on your lot, this is guaranteed to sell. Retail customers, if you're looking for a wheel for your personal truck or Jeep, this is a great wheel. Everybody loves it. It's a clean, classy 8-spoke design. These 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. I absolutely love them. They're an RT tire, so they've got the tread pattern of an all-terrain, the depth of a mud terrain. It handles more like an all-terrain, but it looks like a mud terrain, and you cannot beat it. The issue with these Furies is they sometimes ask for a little bit too much weight to balance, and you might not necessarily get them balanced perfect the first time. You might need to balance them a second time. You might have a couple, maybe 2 out of the 4 wheels that you need to throw back on a balance machine. But after you get them balanced, I absolutely love them. And it's kind of worth dealing for the price point. They are not the most expensive tire, and they're by far not the cheapest. But for the price, they are the best bang for your buck tire, no doubt about it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the rails, fender flares, emblems, bumpers, headlights, taillights, LED light bars, leather kits, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.